All right, guys, I got a really good product here from Solderstick. This is a little small 50-piece set. Comes in 3 different colors to let you know what sizes it is and what gauge wire. What I like about these is everything we have needs to be waterproof. These have heat shrink rings and solder in the middle. So all you do is put the 2 wires in here. Of course, I would tie them together. And then you apply heat to it. You can use a heat gun if you'd like. And you see it shrinking. And the solder melted. And there you go. You got a waterproof connection that is soldered together. You can get these in different sizes. So now it's waterproof, soldered together. These come in different sizes. You can get a big box if you like, a 500 or whatever. Solderstick comes in a nice little case. Connectors, this is a 50-piece. You can get 500 pieces if you want. Check them out. Check out this and all our other products on our TikTok showcase.